Guys, it's day 2 here in Taiwan. Today's itinerary is just we're going to Wulai. Guys, you know what? Ang dami kong na-realize as a solo traveler kasi I was trying to fit everything on my itinerary. I didn't think na mapapagod pala ako. So, today, slow day lang, Wulai, then Elephant Mountain. I want to get a better view of Taipei. Yeah, so there's a little bit of hike, but I think I can do this naman. Guys, today is a little bit easier compared yesterday kasi parang I'm getting the hang out of it. Okay na siya, it's easier na. Siguro I was so exhausted yesterday kasi kailangan ko siyang isipin lahat because I don't know what to do. But today is easy lang. Guys, I just arrived here at Xindian Station and we're taking a bus to Wulai Old Street. So I have 30 minutes before the bus. Kasi plus I have time to eat breakfast kasi I'm so hungry talaga. I guess I'll just try this one. 250. Guys, so I only have 20 minutes to eat. Oh, this is very good, guys. Okay guys, I finished my lunch. I didn't expect that the line is so long for Wulai, guys. And I waited on the other side of the bus station. I didn't know pala na it's here. Buti na lang, I asked the local. Tapos sabi niya, I need to go to the other side of the station. I'm just waiting for the bus. And the line is too long, guys. I think it's gonna take 3 buses. I just arrived here in Wulai and buses are full. Tapos ang haba ng pila papunta here and the ride was 1 hour. And good thing because nasa harap ako ng bus so I can clearly see the view. But yeah, I had to stand for 1 hour. But it's worth it naman. And we're going to Wulai Old Street right now. I just saw the suspension bridge and I'm gonna go there later na lang siguro. So this is Wulai, guys. Okay, so since I ate my lunch naman na, I want to eat something sweet. I want to try some desserts here. Something Taiwanese. No, I want to try something new. I got the mochi, guys. I'm just looking for a place that I can sit down. Kasi ang daming tao doon kanina, siksikan. I'm crossing the bridge right now to the other side of Wulai. Kaya from there, I'm just gonna find somewhere to sit. Okay, so I found a bench. I'm just gonna sit here. There is sesame seeds inside and I think some sugar lang. I like the peanut more kaysa dito. Next is I think the red bean one. Okay, next one. I'll try this one. Guys, ang ganda. There's a mirror in front of each. Jeez. So guys, right now I'm heading to Wulay Scenic Train. Then from there, I'll go to Wulay Waterfalls. So I guess you have to go up. It's called Wulay Log. I hope unti lang yung waiting time because there's a lot of people coming here. I think because it's holiday here in Taiwan. I don't know. Kasi yesterday, it's not this crowded naman. Expected, guys. Ang haba ng pila talaga. Can't do anything about it. So yeah, yun guys, I just bought a ticket. Roughly like 30 minutes before I can ride the train. But I'm very thankful because it's not raining today, so that's such a big blessing. Kasi outdoor siya. So I'm excited to see the waterfalls and also ride the scenic train. And guys, yung ticket pala is one way only. I just hope I'll get the pink train. Almost there. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I want to try it. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, look at the view. Wow. Guys, oh my god, I'm so happy. I want to go near the falls.
Tayo na naman ang tatay.
Oh my god, what a view. I made it, guys. I'm gonna take a picture. Friends here. Hi, ate. Bisaya food.
Ano mo? Facebook mo?
Ano ate? Wait.
Ay, gusto ko.
I'm doing some vlog. Can I include you in the vlog? I have Vietnamese friend also.
Oh.
She did my eyelashes.
Oh, so you came here for travel?
For travel only. I met some Vietnamese people and they took pictures of me from their camera and they're so kind. Everyone is so kind here. The world is so kind to me. I'm so lucky. So yeah, I'm going to cable car. I think I'm gonna ride the cable car and then go back and then go to Elephant Mountain. I have so many time left, so I'm taking my time exploring Wulay. I guess this one is this stairs is going to the cable car area. I want to. I'll buy.
How long it comes?
5, I'm gonna go back. I'm going to Sun Moon Lake tomorrow. Sun Moon Lake. Nanto?
Oh,
Yeah,
very far.
Have you been there? Nanto. Time?
Very far.
Yeah, it's far.
You come from first time?
Yeah, first time. It's good here. I like it here.
Later you can go outside, take photo.
It's okay if I can go and share. Thank you so much. So I just bought pasalubong for my co-workers in Japan. And for my dad also. The cable car is not working. Oh, it is. But I don't think I'm gonna ride it. Oh!
For you?
Oh! Guys, oh my god. Taiwanese people are so kind. I know. I bought omiyage from the shop and then she gave me this hat. It's, I think it's a traditional Vietnamese, Taiwanese outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. Look at my view, guys. And I have a traditional hat here. Oh my god. So this is the view from the cafe. Look at that. Guys, we're heading home now. Guys, we're here in the suspension bridge. So, doon tayo galing kanina, guys, from there. Tapos, napunta tayo din. And for the, waterfalls, andun. So, yeah, sana pumunta na lang ako from there to here. Then, cross the suspension bridge. But, yeah. It was a little far. And I'm gonna go back now because there's nothing much here. And I need to catch the bus. I'm going to Elephant Mountain right now. It's a little bit far, maybe around 30 minutes from here. Oh my god guys, you can't believe how happy I am. Nakahanap ko ng charging station here sa where is it? CKS Memorial Hall. So, I'll take a look muna at the Memorial Hall kasi it's one of the tourist spot here in Taiwan. Kasi anytime lang naman yung Elephant Mountain. So yeah, I'm charging right now. I'm so happy. So actually guys, I decided to stop by because nakilala ko na Pilipina kanina. Eh sinabi na malapit lang sa station yung yung Memorial Hall. So yeah, andito lang rin naman ako for the transfer kasi before yung Elephant Mountain, I need to transfer here. So I decided to check it out na lang. So worth it coming here talaga. Look at you guys. I'm so glad I checked this place talaga. Kasi, before ako nagpunta ng Taiwan, sinabi ko sarili ko na I don't want to check here kasi there's nothing much around here naman. But, oh my God. Iba talaga yung feeling pag you're in another country. That's the Taipei 101, guys. Yeah. And here's the Memorial Hall. And here's, if I'm not mistaken, this is the concert hall here in Taiwan. Here is my 360 view. That's the Memorial Hall. This is the concert hall. This is the gate. There's another one right there. I think it's also a concert hall. And that's Taipei 101. This one. I'll set up my tripod kasi I want to take pictures here.
是你让我的世界从那刻变成粉红色，是你让我的生活从此都只要你配合，爱要精心来雕刻，我是你开朗极乐。
Guys, I took some pictures and videos na. Kaya I'll go to Elephant Mountain right now. I have a long hike ahead of me. So yeah, bye Memorial Hall. It's my first and maybe last time seeing it if I'm going to Taiwan again. I'm so lucky kasi hindi pa siya dark. I get to see this na meron pang onting daylight. Kaya yeah, the plan is perfect and I'm heading to Elephant Mountain right now. And then maybe by then, makikita ko na yung night view ng Taipei. So, okay, let's go! So Elephant Mountain guys from here is 46 minutes. I think malapit lang siya. It's just the hike that that it takes a lot of time. Kasi 30 minutes daw mag-walk pataas. I think one stop na lang. Kasi we did our transfer na kanina to the red line. guys, kakababa ko lang sa bus and I'm so tired kasi yung train kanina is, ewan ko, nagkaloko-loko yung Google Maps and I guess hindi ata siya accessible by train, so nag-take na lang ako ng bus. Yeah guys, so this is the height that I am talking about. Guys, to get you a proper view of how steep it is. Look at this. Google Maps says 3 minutes more, so that's 100 meters. I don't know why I'm punishing myself. Oh my god. I think we're almost there. One thing I'm grateful lang is the place itself is not dark, even though mountain siya. It's well maintained and hindi siya delikado for the girls kasi sobrang liwanag ng lugar. As a solo traveler, I think it's safe naman for the ladies to go here even if you're alone. Okay, we're on top. Okay, we're finally here. This is my view, guys. Meron pa pala sa taas. So yeah, another hike. Oh my god, guys, look how steep that is. Oh my god. But I think after that it's the peak na. I hope, guys, it's stairs and non-ending stairs. Here's my view as of now. I think this is not the peak yet. Yeah, just a little bit before we reach the peak, guys. Okay guys, finally Elephant Mountain checked and I'm going home now. I just grabbed dinner and then I'll go home. Guys, parang nagsisisi ako sa decision ko. Look, my way down. Okay guys, finally kababa na tayo. And on my way up I saw a restaurant, so I'll just try their food there na lang, and then we're gonna go home. Oh, thank you. Guys, mind you, this is a small size. I'm gonna miss this when I go to Japan. Today's day drink is free also. I tried the soy milk one and it's good. Guys, their food is 10 out of 10. It's better than the last noodle shop. Maybe because it's braised, I didn't pick the clear soup. Guys, that's the name of the noodle shop. I think I'm gonna crave for it when I go back to Japan because it's that good. Honestly, it's that good. I never expected it to be that tasty talaga. Siguro onte lang yung tao niya because it's, malapit na siya sa closing time niya. But kanina, yun pala yung nakita ko na maraming tao. Then extension lang yung nasa likod. And yung extension nasa likod is like already closed. So that's why I thought na closed na siya. But yeah, yung harap na lang yung open nila na counters and tables. Buti na lang, I did check it out. Oh my god, ang sarap niya. Hi guys, update. So, I got Makto. I feel thirsty. Tapos, I'm just waiting for the bus lang. I don't know what happened, but lahat ng buses are super late. It's currently 10 p.m. So I don't know what happened. Maybe because it's holiday here and tomorrow is Saturday. Kaya busy, kaya peak hours. I don't know. But yeah, late yung mga bus. And to be honest, parang nagka-anxiety na ako kanina kasi bakit hindi sila dumadating. But made it, na lang. Nag-pick na lang ako ng ibang bus papunta sa Taipei main station, then from Taipei main station to Xinjiang and to my hotel. Yeah, I'm so tired. I want to rest because tomorrow is a long day ulit. The initial plan was to take the bus from Elephant Mountain to my hotel, but yeah, it changed because I don't know if that was the last bus or it's just late. So to be safe, I just took the train, guys, and I'm heading home now. Guys, I forgot to film it because I was so overwhelmed by the pasalubong, but I got so many. Okay, I'll do a haul when I get home, guys. It's already 11:30 in the evening. Didn't notice that time. I was just enjoying the moment, guys. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I'll make a haul when I get home. Finally. So here's the haul. So yeah, I got that. I like Mochi so much. This one is on sale. Kaya I got it. It's 3 bags for 330 Taiwan dollars. And this one too. So yeah. I got this one, and then also got the pineapple cake. And also this one because mango siya, and I want to try this also. I'm collecting magnets, guys. From now on, I'm gonna collect magnets when I travel. So I got a ref magnet from Taiwan. And that's it for today, guys. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'll take a shower, then I'm gonna rest because tomorrow I have Shifen, Jufin, and Yelu tour. Rest because I'm so tired, and I'll see you on another video on day 3 in Taiwan. Day 2 was a success, although yeah, it was a little bit hard because of the holidays and also it was so crowded today. But I'm thankful na okay naman siya, and na complete ko yung itinerary ko. That's the most important thing, and I'm still grateful. So yeah, I'm gonna rest, and then tomorrow is another day. I'm not gonna edit anything today because I'm so drained na. Kaya yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!